State Coordination of Coal Miners, Dealers and Transporters Association, kalarai bakan penlong yaki jingalang pat ba haki jaka badon doyong, bat kaladawaru na kasorkar, baka di ban bichar banyak biang yaka Standard Operating Procedure, balapan mi da kasorkar MDA, haka santarik leber harja arpuway, habede baka jing ay yaki license doyong haka ni kajala. Habakaran syakila patay kubor mentaka laipotarik naitung harja arpusaw, uba regional syala ubade udukat jangka ni kaseng, ulaong bahkan ni SOP ke sarkar ke bu kendon baki beriu ki bakwa ban apply ke license doyong ki dei bandon ya ka jaka ke ba om duna ya ka shispa hektar ulaong bakam don kanu kaan baki ba apply license ki dei bandon jaka shispa hektar karkum ke jingong uba regional ulaong ba hapo kaan jong ke MMRD syaja khnai spa san phonyo lakdo baki ba apply ya ka license ki dei bandon ya ka jaka ke ba om duna ya ka saw hektar hajrong Ulaong bakani ke jingbu ke sarkar hake SOP, bade bandan jaka shispa hektar, kalong ban le jubor ban kini ke hok bat ka kamai ki pat ba, bat ka ailat tangi ki kat tu kat ni. Habayade bakani ke SOP, ulaong baka seng kala challenge ya ka yeng ka syari jong ke Meghalaya High Court. Ulaong baka seng kala dap hak jingtho si menteri rang ba ka jela, ban kentu ya ke sarkar ban weng no ka shispa hektar, bat ban pen kala ya ki SOP. Lada ke sarkar kamla ban penduna ya ka shispa hektar, ke sarkar ke dibantung daki expert committee ke banwat banyak hakiwe ke jela kum ke Nagaland Assam ki ba pentre ye udoyong ulaong bah Assam bat Nagaland ke kamti doyong kim long bean henry hakani ke jela ke jingti doyong ke long ke bean uba regional ulaong ba ke seng kala pha jing thoru syabaro laingut ki MP ke jela makin but dien bat ke sarkar India nak benta banwat yakilat kelenti
Maliang ke forum inilah raise up yang isu kerjaan dari scientific coal mining industry of Meghalaya. Buat kibun ki research kilat kelinti niwat namta ban wat kelinti ban pentre kamno ia scientific coal mining industry of Meghalaya. Kumju yang itu ki pajbaro ki badan jaga kabako ka cispa hectares kuma la terkait dengan sarkar jela kajaka namta ban apply ya prospecting license dan mining list kamna banduna si inch lo ya ka spa hectares tegane galate kalako yo paiba ya borok kowe ke jela Meghalaya jmi ki ba im kama japo dan negaka ki ba kwa ban mi chakma ban apply prospecting license dan ya mining list Tega naliam jonga lembaga jingkersan jong forum ngala persyang ban pak kajing tho so honorable chief minister Sri Konrad K Sangma honorable minister in charge of mining and geology department haka arterik benai benyo ajar sa kanega member of the pangapa so honorable chief minister kala chief minister Anda ni request ke government kabunukum ni request banweno ya ka sispa hektar buat ban review ya ka SOP manwat kita di lat linti lembagi legal expert lembagi environmental expert banduna ya ka area ka sispa hektar tekabar ni kawan ka sarkar ba mereka sarkar kamla ban banduna ka sispa hektar Tengah sarkar kadai ban research lane ka sarkar kadai ban set ye di expert committee jingan dai ban le research Nagaland Assam kumno ki review lembaga artikel laispa ye koi nomor ba kana aga jalan Nagaland lembaga artikel laispa ye koi ki pentre mining but kana ka mining ka ba ki pentre ye ko ka jalan Nagaland Kiputrai hapok kacaka kaba hectares within 2 hectares of land. They are doing mining operation in the state of Nagaland, and even in Assam, in some parts like Dimasa and in Tinsukia, in Margreta, they even continue mining, small scale mining. They are practicing like similar to the state of Meghalaya. So this mining in the state of Nagaland and Assam, they are prescribed as legally mining, but in our state Meghalaya, coal is illegal since 10 years, since 2014 after the ban of the NGT. So ka sorkar jilla kamsium kia ka jing dai kene ka jing pha jing forum jing dai ban kren kene ka mat ka issue nang ta ka daw ka naliam jing forum ngala ya kendo baki members jing ki executive member baru president chairman barangba upa soni kriam banyak discuss ke issue nagadaw bag sarkar ka klan simkhia yagane ka issue yagane ka mat yagane ka jinga jum pajba ka forum ka sim ni karai ka berkat sani pa bila sim ni karai bangin ya chaprang pat in prolong ni jingalang pajba sa Southwest Kasi district sa Thang Namstoy sa jaga Budon Doyong sa Karo Hills pat naisin tiang ila na sudah hanggang na ila hanggang ila ada pelong yang jinggalang teka forum ka step ka mga forum consume bangkot jinggalang ni pajba pan sa pajba pat ka step ka paar ni sina kame pan jingsan lagi nang nikmat Budon Burong Jumi hamtam di MP jung jelam ni kali tutup ya berok lain di MP arnum di bajok lembaga election bagi way di Dr. Raja Sabah MP dengan Pak daga Jingthok show honorable member of parliament Sri Salangi Sama beri MP juga Kongres kalian juga forum but show honorable member of parliament Sri AG Sengkon beri MP juga National Parliamentary Constituency but beri dengan parti BBP but nila Pak show honorable member of the Raja Sabah Sri W. Karluki berdiri dengan parti NPP watlah dah ke sorkar kakan simkia yang kimat di jurah di isu jung pajba ba empau ke forum macam sorkar jelar dari forum kemudian kena ga jing ke jumun ke sorkar dari ni isna kamera apa jo ba W. Karluki ro nomor ba karena kami yang ini MP jumi bagi botin yang kena kami sedari lani parlimen bentuk kita jadi Ministry of Coal India nang bagi nang yok susu ke jingtip bagi kalat kelenti ke pengilapan penterikan apa ke selam megalia dan ini alor ke SOP ke standard operating procedure babumi ke sarkar MDA harusnya ajar apa way अपना कलाई संतरी ते हन्ने के SOP के सरकार कला respect apa ka pitch kapulai kaba ang ba an area for applying prospecting license or mining lease should not be less than 100 hectares ini ke 100 hectares ka laringi convert into acres kada more than 240 acres plus ada ke area ka bahaya but keeping in mind that it is not possible to do coal mining in the state of Meghalaya within an area of more than 100 hectares. Terkatakan kau kajing besar jumi, bat kapaar, kadai kajing besar jumi ba yang pajba ba ka forum kala sini ke Sinjam, ban yat lendi cepat. Bat ngila challenge dengan ke SOP ro atau orang High Court juga celah Meghalaya. Dan kaihi ke main purpose juga forum ban besar pajba, kadai ba lembaga research juga forum. Apa kejingalang chairman barang Pak Jungi usuni kriam di ka adon ki ain juga mina de session ba forum di kakum ka ain juga sarkar pedem ke sarkar India apa ke MM dia recognize person beliau akan sampai di sini ini ka apa ke MM dia recognize person beliau chapter 4 section 22 ini ko minimum area for mining lease should be for an area not more than should be for an area not less than 4 hectares. Lani apa kasawat tas ngila ban take up yang kita gi ban apply yang prospecting license ngila ban try yang mining. Kumno beyond which law, which provision the state government set and prescribing the minimum area of 100 hectares. Tegane ke way ba kalong sarkar ka kuapan let jubor ya ka kamai ka jing jung pai ba ka sarkar ka kuat ban kini jubor ya ba kuat jung pai ba dan ka ba ala tan ya ki kan ne ka tu ba don cakap dan nak but ya kene ngomni tu ka forum ba te ka pe ni isu la da fikmau ka au kan real terik nombor arajar arfoa idan na salat chana jama salat salat asalat kami kawai ka presiden barang-barang jaga HYC but pula prescribe handero bagamdan setia katakan apabila bagi lapan pembo bagi sorga kelak pembo ia kata cakap ke bersispa kamdan setia katakan kum kaan juga MMI ada recognize pasan penyu kadang it should not be less than 4 hectares dari tak kata kum kaan juga environmental clearance ansu Butulan Supulema. Every fresh grain of mining lease in respect of major minerals. Abang yung major mineral that means even coal. Coal is also a major minerals. With a mining lease area exceeding 5.0 hectares. 5.0 hectares that means 5 hectares of land and their extensions and modulations has to obtain site clearance and environmental clearance from the Ministry of Environment and Forest MOEF. Government of India also for prospecting and exploration of major minerals in areas about 500 hectares have to get the site clearance from the Ministry of Environment and Forest. Ini kalau katung kaan jeng environmental clearance. Some hectares seneng mila yo eka clearance namta scientific coal mine. Some hectares seneng mila yo eka clearance. Authority kala ban I clearance yapi some hectares seneng. That is why we challenge in the High Court. Amar ba kaan ka lempong ini ba no you have to have 100 hectares of land to do coal mining kaan ka lempong kaan ka 5 hectares na ini pay ka environmental clearance some hectares sini ngila ba continue ka mining lani la ka MLPR 1957 4 hectares above we can do scientific mining so the law does not say that no you have to have 100 hectares to do mining the laws allow you within 100 hectares or so that is our main purpose that for which we are challenging India before the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, and we are seeking for justice. The 6th Schedule Act, Para 12A, A, and Para 12B. From the 6th Schedule, Para 12A, there is no such provisions which the Autonomous District Council or the state legislature can make rules regarding coal mining. So I don't know on which principle of law, beyond which provision of law the state government is framing the SOP. Because according to the law of 6th Schedule 244 and 275, paragraph 12A and B, there is no such provisions of law which says that the Autonomous District Council and the state legislature have the power to make coal mining policy. See, they don't have the authority. So I don't know under which provision of law which they are framing. So according to MLPR Act 1957 also, the state cannot make law for coal mining. They can only frame a policy. They can frame a policy, but framing a policy is not a part of law. It can be taken as a suggestion. See, 100 hectares, you are saying that 100 hectares should an area should be for 100 hectares for mining of coal. But saying should be, this is not a law. This can be taken as a suggestion. See, export can be considered as a suggestion, but export cannot be considered as a part of law. Law is law, code is code, suggestion is different, export is different. These all things cannot be considered as a part of law. So we do not accept SOP as a law. We can accept SOP as a suggestion. Yes, maybe in future we need 100 hectares for scientific coal mining, but that is a suggestion, that is not a part of law. But the state government is making it a law. You need to have 100 hectares of land, which we will never accept, and the forum will always stand stronger to protect the rights of the people, to protect the underground, beneath rights of the people. The forum will always stand stronger to protect the people. Okay. As per the MMDR 1957, as per the Environmental Act, which I have already said before that the environmental clearance, they allow even 5 hectares of land also to do scientific coal mining. So the state government should go as per the law, as per the act. Let's do coal mining as per the law within 5 hectares of land, within 10 hectares of land, which the expert already allows us. So why the state government is not allowing us? So So this is just already absent. This is nothing but just like what the members of Honorable President of XYC said in press release that Meghalaya government favoring high level. Kadi benda nam ta high level, kadi benda nam ta pre-gurus pasmet, kadi benda nam ta upai pa. Nalim juga forum misnau ya kata. Misnau ba kadi benda nam ta upai pa, borok ki bakun balam. Ki badan jaga apa kesini spa actors, ki badan sun actors, ki badan supporters. Kadi benda nam ta upai pa, om nam ta ki terus simat. Nalim juga forum misnau ba. Sarkar kadi benda revise, kadi review lah ya SOP. Ya, tayo scientific mining niya panlat ka ay juga mengira kat rice pasal kanyo. Ke scientific mining kala pandon open cast mining kawai, kala pandon underground mining kawai. Te kito ga dan ki lembaga geologist ni ki engineer te mining kilatan pan ki expert ki CMBDI kini ki CMBDI kini ki Coal Mining Plan Authority. Kini kini ba ladang isna ying mentang. Idon kam engineer, idon kam architect, idon kam contractor. Tenamta ban petrai kami ke coal mining operations. Idon kam ke expert, ke advisor lagi CMBDI. Tekine kini authority ki bapenle ya ki coal mining. Porok way ke state apa kari India bayi cumi. Dengan lembaga CMBDI.
Atau JP.
Kalau dong ke budget, ki jinglut kila don lembaga CMBDI lembaga expert. Kila boleh dah jinglut, lain kat ladang kat suppose kat jaga yang beli dan support mereka semua. Kila don ni kan jinglut, kila don ni kan expert pakai mesin ke bah bin merak kata klor, lain kat jinglut kata klor, sampai klor apa support klor kat jinglut. Kini jingmi untuk kandun ni nomor klaim kapar priom, lain dia upar lo, lain pinjol priom, mining jumpi kan upar. Tangkat jaga kan kam, what priom kan kam. Lesing adon jaga apa vectors, tu jaga jungam don priom. Tengam lah kan terima ni. Tangkal license semua namanya. Pelada dan udria mah kacaka apa sih hectares. Tadi ekspor kila dan lembaga authority di depan banai yang di jinglut di Mesir. Kata ada ngilap terikam min sayo yang di detail. Proses ini mak
di dalam mentah.
mining. Ki anda ruang kilong bagi senayu tunnel apa siapa kecil dia. Kalau 6 to 7 feet. Satu tunnel bila doni ki lights, bila doni ki wall pillars. Kila dan yang machinery panti untuk yang gaya ki helmets ki safeguard ban yang minum tray bagi tank cepo ki oxygen bila don kita ini scientific para scientific scientific basically means protecting environment yadai kamaria yadai ki yadai ka air but yadai minum tray but yadai ka but safety of mines also you have to protect the mines kata dia scientific I cannot give you more detail that is what I know.